Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of your Metz TV. So first, grab your remote control, go to the settings in the right upper corner, then scroll down and you have to go for the device preferences. Right now just scroll down one more time at the bottom, and as you can see right here we can find the reset option. So click OK to confirm, go for the reset, click OK, and then select to erase everything. You have to remember that all stuff will be removed from your TV. So click to confirm. And as you can see, the factory data reset notification pops on the screen, and we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see, the reset is complete, and right now we are able to perform the first setup of this device. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.